So you're out in the sea, way out among the giants like those ships, and your boat won't start. What you do is the first thing you want to make sure is that this bulb right here, primer bulb, is firm. You squeeze it and it needs to be hard. And when you got that done, all right, that should be good enough. You will make sure your kill switch is on and it's not pulled off. If you pull it off, you're not going to get a start. Okay? You're going to get a beep, but no start. So anyway, you make sure your kill switch is on. Now you may get a start, but you may get ignition, but no start. So what you do is you press against here, and that will disengage it from the transmission, and you can move the throttle all the way up and down, and that's going to reset everything, your throttle body position and everything related to fuel air mixture. So now you can move this, and that will reset it. And once you go to the center, it will re-engage with the transmission. And if you need to go reverse, you press it again, and now you can go reverse. And what I would do is I would go reverse for full throttle. And the reason I say reverse, not forward, is because when you're in reverse, when the engine starts, actually if you're engaged, you're not engaged right now with a prop. So when the engine starts, it's not engaged. But overall, when you go reverse, you don't have as much power. The prop is designed to push you forward, and going backward, it doesn't work that well, the prop. So we're going to go full throttle, and we're going to start. Okay. Oh, still didn't do a good job. Okay. What the engine is doing is it's kicking in the limiter. It's not going to let you go over 3,000 in without the prop. So that way that way you won't get a high RPM without the gearbox, the prop not being involved. So now that you started it, you can, once you go to the center, you will reset, and again the transmission will be engaged, the prop will be engaged, and you're ready to go. But it's a very good idea to do this, especially in the cold days. You can go, if you ever need to throttle up for some reason and not move. See, I'm not moving because I disengaged from the prop. Like if you want to warm up the engine or something, you can do that. And the cold days comes in handy, come December and all that. So anyway, it is a hot day, and look at that beautiful ship coming in, well, leaving, actually. Maybe U.S. makes something. We are in the United States, and they're shipping it over the world, and I wonder what that is. We don't make anything anymore. Talk to you later.